nitukenaga twamwita nimugia na mahinda ma uka kwaraniria na ithuĩ murathimo muno na nĩ njũĩ no tũkũmwĩta rĩngĩ tũgũthiĩ na mbere tũgĩkaga ũũ ona cukuru iria ũkakũhingwo no tũkũmwĩta nyingĩ tũke twarangĩrĩrie maũndũ maya ndĩritũ tũkĩrĩkia
thank you mana ndagĩtarĩ Eunice Wambui Menja Pastor Rafian Samoro Njoroge na ningĩ James Kagondu nĩo tumanao hwainĩ tũgũkorwo na Michael Jenga na Professor wena Durumeni
hwainĩ twĩna Durumeni nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩrora maũndũ marĩa marathiĩ na mbere na mũno kũrĩa thĩinĩ wa sector ya macani nĩona KTDA makoretwo makĩhũrana hanya ona wiki ĩno ngũcia nĩ handũ maraitanĩte handũ kũndũ wabici nĩ tũgũkorwo tũkĩaria na chairman ũrĩa wĩkuo gwa kahinda gaka tũmenye thĩna wĩha na kĩhonia kĩaguo ũgũkorwo hana atĩa kuo nĩ tũgũkorwo twĩna Wangeci hwainĩ wa ũmũthĩ na thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Durumeni tũgũkorwo twĩ hamwe
asante tukitirihana ithagumia Johana wa gatatu 1:11 roiga murata wakwa ndukanae kurumirira maundu moru magira maria mega mundu uria wikaga wega no wa Ngai no uria wikaga uru ndari ona Ngai.
Thank you. Kwina imwe kuria mwena wa kundu gugwitwo Nyeri kuria governor arakorwo akithie na mbere na kwariria assembly gwa kahinda gaka ni njui ni tukorwo tugithie kuo CNN Jabi thiini wa studio Jabi geithika muno ni njui no ukorwo gitutwara kuu ona baadaye mutindie thayo mongirori magokumia nake Jehova Ngai hamurathime
37 ECD centers annually. We have also finalized the scheme of service to translate all the ECD caregivers to permanent and pensionable terms. We shall build on these gains in the new administration. Mr. Speaker, I have pledged to introduce a free school milk program to every child at ECD level, twice a week to improve their nutrition. I have further committed to construct 50 CBC model classrooms, 100 ablution blocks, and improve on existing sanitary facilities. To bolster our youth development program, we shall provide a state-of-the-art sports infrastructure, training and recreational facilities for the youth, men and women, and people living with disabilities. It is important to note, Mr. Speaker, that the bursary program has been very, very effective. We shall therefore increase the Elimu bursary fund from the current 160 million to 200 million annually to cater for the increasing demand of the vulnerable needy cases. In order to transform the vocational training centers into business hubs and centers of excellence in each of the 8 sub-counties, we will recruit highly skilled instructors to make them more innovative and competitive in the informal market. This will improve basic foundation of our children in education and also create a good environment to improve their innovativeness and performance. We have invested in Rokera Youth Polytechnic to make it a center of excellence for leather production as a model to be replicated in every sub-county. The Mwalimu shoe under production in Rokera will be our flagship cottage industry product and will be used by our children from lower levels to our bursary recipients. This will spur production and create jobs for our youth. Mr. Speaker, in education, we have invested Kenya shilling 7.9 million on ongoing projects and we require an additional 15.4 million on the ongoing projects. Mr. Speaker, Nyeri County produces an estimated 200 tons of waste every day. In the past 3 years, only 65% was collected and less than 5% was recycled. Currently, the department has increased collection to 85% with 15% being recycled. This has been achieved through procuring an addition of 4 trucks, 48 skip bins in the past 5 years. This financial year, the department has budgeted for an additional truck and 20 skip bins. To further enhance the cleanliness of our major towns, the department is in the process of finalizing partnerships to see the installation of color-coded litter bins in all our towns. Waste is a resource that can be harnessed to create wealth, employment, and reduce pollution to the environment. Towards this, the department is promoting various alternatives to the existing waste value chains. Instead of waste being collected solely for disposal.
Na macori mamwe maria marahaneka matura-ini maitu muthenya wa umuthi indi ndugathie kuraihu na ndukahutie mitambo nituko tukimenyithia uria bururi witu wikaire mohoro-ini maitu ma Inoro miaraho andikitwa mohoro ni marathie na mbere na guthagathaga mohoro matiganite koguo tugiekire ko tucemanie wona ciehanda thaa 7 ni njitagwo Jambi Wanjaũ.